Yesterday I said this was not a game, no player, no WASD. I walked the yard today. Same cottage, same garden, same people on loops. The rust hat is me now, a watering can and a backpack. So you can tell which one. The camera used to watch the house. Now it follows me. I stay in the picture. The first change is WASD, 4 keys, WASD, forward, left, back, right. That is how you walk in a lot of games. Forward is not north, it is the way the camera looks. Flattened onto the dirt, I walk into the shot. The script is player.gd. It reads those 4 keys as a stick. It asks the camera which way is forward, it drops the up and down. What is left is a direction on the dirt. That direction times a speed becomes velocity. The character body does move and slide. The body turns to face where it is going. The camera is not glued to my back. The pivot copies my position every frame. If we parented the camera under the player, look at would spin the lens, so we did not. A still is a pose. The hat starts on the dirt. Then it is at the door. Then one boot is forward. Yesterday the legs slid, the body moved, the boots did not. Today they cycle. The script is walk cycle. Same script on me and the 2 walkers. The pig and the cow have no leg nodes, so they stay as they were. Arms swing the other way, smaller. When I stop, the weight fades and they stand. A still can catch one boot forward, play it to see the loop. Each limb is a node. Hip or shoulder is the pivot. A sign of a phase is the swing. Left and right get opposite signs, so one boot is forward when the other is back. I walked to the door. The steps stopped me. A capsule treats a 12-centimeter lip as a wall. I saw it on the still and said so. Then we step up 0.4 meters if the raised path is clear. Then I could walk up. E is use 1 key, not jump, not attack, use. The script asks the nearest thing that applies. Door first if I am on the stoop. Else a dry bed. Else a wet one. The door leaf is no longer part of the house. E on the stoop swings it in and drops the blocker. The stoop leads inside. Inside is an empty room. Warm light. That is on purpose. Furniture is later. Not on the stoop. E asks the garden. Nearest dry bed, soil goes dark. The cabbages swell and go a wetter green. The can tips. A drip hangs off it, 1 bed at a time. E again on that wet bed harvests. The crops hide. The soil stays dark. I hold 1 cabbage in my left hand. I cannot pick a dry bed. I cannot water a bed I already watered. That is the whole loop for now. No shop, no plant, no cell. 3 things. Yesterday it was a place that moves. Today one of them is you. E does the rest. You still steer by looking at a picture.